Found a really big wet spot right there. What the fuck is that? Yeah, what the hell is that thing crawling on me? So we got that one done. We got this one here to do. The hayfield's not ours. So this one we gotta do, yeah. That one there, I might just plow that this afternoon, I'm not sure. And just flip you over to sport mode. So we're in sport mode, boys. This is what I'm at now. I got those two up there to do, yeah. So I might hit them here when I get done. And there's one on the other side of that hill there that's probably going to be wet, so we're going to have to wait for that one. You can see it back there. It's green. So put her back in normal mode so I don't hit nothing. Okay, hopefully that worked out alright. You guys might see, go to Andrew's channel here on YouTube. He's got some pretty cool videos. He's a cool egg. I forget his name. I'm subscribed to him, so just go over to my subscriber there. He's done a lot of drone videos and put her forward drive. I'll tell you what, this little disc does a pretty good job here, cutting stuff up. Just a finishing disc, but we got to cut this up there. They more board this field, and it is rougher than a sandpaper. But I don't know why did they leave this furrow here for? They should have just kept going straight to the edge.
For those who qualify, they offer career placement assistance for all graduates. Call Fortis today at 518-1818. Fortis Institute, Ash Street, Scranton. The consumer information can be found at
Have my little buddy.
And Yogurt City. Let's roll to the white sea.
Let's see if I can smooth this out. But
Yogurt City. Let's roll to the white sea. Yogurt City.
this is stupid.
Ice cream is final.
Well, they left us like this. Yeah, you can see shoes are up pretty good. Yeah, that's dumb. Hold on, I got zoomed in too far. Tightened those discs up earlier this morning. Better hit that again. If my nuts can handle it again, I don't know. Yeah, that's stupid why they did that. I swallowed a piece of dandelion or something. It's a little wet right there where the ditch is, but and up top a little bit there's a wet spot. Nothing too bad. Yeah, where they had the disc, that's all part of the field. I don't know why they did that. What's going on there? Why do we got a pump? Whew. Muggy out there. What's going on here? I don't like that clump of grass there. One more time, I guess. Should chew her up pretty good. Split it in half. Yeah, what the hell is that thing crawling on me? You're a West Nile virus now, you little bastard. Oh, man, I don't know what that is, but Marky Marky Bar! There. Tag teaming today. Turn my tunes down. Bark at the moon. Getting ready to plant this field. We did the one in the back there. That was good to go. Feels rough. hate doing this field. Seems like you're riding around and riding around and riding around and you don't ever get nowhere with it. So yeah, it's finally getting dry. We got, let's see, we got this field, the one in the back to do, and there's one over there by the pond, and 2 at the fairgrounds, and we'll be done. No, we got one more at the home farm to do yet too. I don't know. That one might be wet yet. Not really sure. That guy over there was raking hay. I had my drone out earlier, but my memory was full, so I really don't know how much of a video I got. Roger did all that one. I did some of it because it was wet. Where you see that big green spot right there in the middle? It's wet through there, so there's a couple of spots there in the valley that's wet, but not wet bad enough that I didn't need 4-wheel drive, but yeah, dirt's a rolling, dust is a flying, corn's a growing. So I tried there's a field over there I tried doing with the little disc, but it's not cutting it up so weedy. So I'm going to use the cut disc. By the way, these beams right here, all of them are filled with sand. I think this weighs like 14 ton, something like that. I don't know if you can see the weeds in it or not, but like I said, I tried to run it over with a little disc. It wasn't doing nothing. This should shore up. found a really big wet spot right there. Try going through it again. Just try going up. Just try going a different path this time. Here we go. Not gonna go, boys.